Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a ginormous haul on a bunch of new Sephora holiday kits. So if you have not checked out already my video that I posted before this, it's the Will I Buy It Sephora Holiday Kits edition. Make sure to check it out. I would definitely watch that one first before watching this one. But basically I went shopping at Sephora. Luckily, I was able to get some of these holiday kits because a lot of the stuff wasn't even put out on the shelves yet. They were able to grab it from the back for me. So I wasn't able to get everything on my list, but I am making another order. And let me know in the comments down below if you want to see an Ulta edition, because there's holiday kits that are exclusive to Sephora, and there's also holiday kits that are exclusive to Ulta. So let me know if you guys want to see that. We can definitely do that for you too. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are brand new. I upload here every Tuesday and Saturday, and then sometimes we'll have bonus videos. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at Madison Miller, because that's where I update you guys like whenever there is a new video. So make sure you're following over there. But now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what I got at Sephora. All right, so my first purchase that I got is this guy right here. And I'm so stoked for this because I love the Bum Bum cream. So you get like a full size of those, and you get other products in here too. So this is the Bum Bum Beats, and basically you get a cream gel, you get a body scrub, you get the amazing body lotion, and then you also get a spray, which I really want to just put in my pickleball bag because I'm sure it just smells amazing, and I definitely need that help after I get done playing pickleball for like 3 hours. So this one retails for $68, has a $90 value to it. The packaging they did on it is just so eye-catching. I think they did an amazing job. And just the box, like look at this. You open it up like this, and then boom, you got the products there. So you guys can see the sizes, which are all reasonably sized. And oh my God, the second you open up, you just smell the Bum Bum cream. I'm like living for this right here. Okay, so this guy is the pistachio and salty caramel, and it is a hair and body fragrance mist. Oh yeah, you are definitely going in my pickleball bag. I like it too that it's also like a plastic, so I don't have to worry about it breaking, but we are going to spray this. It legit smells exactly like the Bum Bum cream, so I love that. And then this is the body scrub here. Can't wait to test this guy out. It's a little bit more of a smaller size, so it'd actually be really good for travel. And here we have the full size of the Bum Bum cream. So excited about this. And then I haven't tried this one out either. This is the moisturizing shower cream gel, which also would be another really good travel product. I love the lid to it. Look at it, you guys. It goes like that. It's got a little pop-up lid. Oh, that's so cool. I love the packaging of it. And again, great for travel, but I want to try this out and see how I like it. I'm always looking for new shower gels. So I think this was a really good bang for your buck and totally worth it. So I'm super stoked about this one. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the Tarte holiday kits that I picked up. And the first one here is the MARACUJA one. This is the MARACUJA Juicy Squad. You get 2 different lip sets in here. And like I said, these are really good like stocking stuffers, really good basket stuffers. You can get, you know, a few different holiday kits and like how to split them up and disperse them between people and create baskets for them, which is awesome. You could even see it has like the to and the from on the back. So I love the fact that they do that. So anyways, here are the colors. I love these. These are very moisturizing. They have a really good pigmentation to them, and they're very comfortable wearing throughout the day. Okay, so this first set right here, you get the MARACUJA Juicy Lipstick, and you also get the Lip Plump here. So this is a lipstick. You just turn them, and oh, it's a beautiful rose shade. Oh, I love that. That right there is like your lipstick, your lips, but better. I love that. That is a beautiful, beautiful shade, and it glides right on. Then we've got the Lip Pump, which this guy is a clicky, and it has a light tint of pink to it. Oh, so beautiful. I know that these like went viral on TikTok. I saw like everyone talking about those. This is the other set right here. And these also are little clickies. And this one is these are the Maracuja Juicy Lips in different shades. So the first one is Ginger. Ginger is a really pretty brown nude. And then the last one we have is Cranberry. And Cranberry is more of a cranberry shade. And you can see like they're pigmented, but they're not too pigmented. So it allows those that are a little scared to go towards the bolder colors. It's a little bit more safe to go this way. And yeah, so I thought that was another really good one. I love those. All super wearable colors, different like styles. The lipstick is beautiful. By the way, the lipstick is in Rose, and then the lip plump is in Cherry Blossom. I forgot to say those shade names, but absolutely gorgeous. Look at those. Oh, that one's a hit. I love it. All right, so next up from Tarte, we have the cheek palette. This is the Blush Authority. I love and live for cheek palettes, and I love their packaging this year. It's really cool, kind of geometric, and oh, the shades. Look at the shades. They're so pretty. Oh, I love it. Okay, so you get 5 blushes in here and you get 1 bronzer. The bronzer is Park Avenue Princess, which is their like, you know, staple Holy Grail bronzer. You can just see it. I've used this bronzer so many times back in the day, and it's just really, really beautiful. And here we have different ones. So this is Refined. We're going to swatch a couple of these. God, these are beautiful. And then this one is Facette. So there's those. As you can see, they're swatching really, really nice. Luxe is a really pretty kind of neutral mauve. There's Luxe, really gorgeous. And we have Gemstone. This one looks like it has a little bit of a sheen to it, but not too much. But it's a beautiful, like, pinky or kind of peachy coral. And then we've got Polish, which is a little bit more of a neutral, like, peach. So there's those ones. So really pretty. They definitely kind of hit every color scheme here, which I really like. I love it that we have some more pinky ones, and we also have some really pretty mauve and more neutral ones. So I think this is a good palette. I cannot wait to check the wear test on them and see how they wear throughout the day and how it lasts on my cheeks throughout the day, especially through pickleball. So we'll see how that goes. But so far, I'm really liking the shades because they're all shades that I will use. So it definitely makes it worth it for me. Next up from Tarte, we have the Tarte C, and this is the Modern Mosaic Palette Wardrobe. So you get 2 palettes in here. One is a cheek palette, which is a cream cheek palette, and then one is an eyeshadow palette. So it just looks like this. So I can show you guys. I really like the way that they did their packaging this year. It's beautiful, and these ones are so sleek and fancy. They're very luxurious. They're not like dinky packaging. So this is the eyeshadow right here. Great one to travel with. It's great because we've got some really pretty transition shades. We have some shimmers. We have some deeper shades to really deepen up the crease. So we're going to swatch these. Oh, these feel good. Oh my God, these feel good. Okay, look at that one right there. That one's called Visionary. And then we've got Intricate, which is kind of like their deeper brown here. And then we have this Daydream one, which is more of a kind of like a very muted plum or mauve. Look at that. That's real. These are swatching beautifully. Oh my gosh, you can create so many different looks with these. So we've got that one. We have Elaborate right there. Oh my gosh. And then Vivid. Vivid is more of their shimmery purple, like eggplant right there. Oh, these are really, really pretty. I like the color scheme to it. It's very kind of like romantic. You can definitely like do some more toned down looks. You can definitely like vamp it up for nighttime with the deeper colors. So that is really nice. And they swatched well too, which is definitely a plus. I like the formula for them. The other palette here is the Cream Cheek Palette. So in this, you get a highlight, a blush, and a bronzer. So let's go ahead and swatch these really quickly. So there we go, right there. Swatch these. Ooh, so beautiful. And there's the highlight and then the bronzer. Oh, those are nice. This one's a little warm, but I think if we just really blend it out nicely, I think it'll be really good. Just kind of warm up the face. The blush is beautiful, and so is the highlight. So this is definitely one that we got to test out. We got to do a video basically testing out these products, you guys. Let me know if you want to see single reviews on some of these palettes or if you want to see just like one makeup look. I kind of like the single reviews because it allows me to really focus and show how they work. But if you guys want to see like a full makeup review, like with cheeks and everything like that, let me know and we can do that too. Okay, so this is the last set that I got. Like I said, a lot of the stuff wasn't even out on the shelves yet. And what was weird was even when I looked at the Too Faced stuff, because there was like, I think there was going to be one of them from Too Faced that I was going to get. But it said it was at that store, so that's why I went to that store, and they're like, oh wait, no, we don't have it. And I'm like, well then why does it say that it's in stock here? It's frustrating, so I definitely need to order. But the last collection that we have here from Tarte is the Gilded Glamour Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Wardrobe. Also, very similar packaging to the Seabreeze. I really like it how they made these a little bit more thinner and not so bulky. So these are two different eyeshadow palettes here. So this is the first one. This one is the Glamour one. So you can see it's got some color in it. It's even got some neutrals in it, but some deeper tones back here. So we've got, ooh, that graphic. Okay, so this is graphic. Look at this one, this olive green here. That one's like forest green, like it's really pretty. Let's swatch that one. I wonder how the formula is gonna be on these. So the formula's not too bad. I feel like it looks a little dry. It definitely feels, in that one, it feels a little differently than this formula. But let's just try some other ones out before we get too critical. That was not too bad. That's a good transition shade, and that blended out nicely. Didn't feel dry. Let's try out a shimmer. Moxie. Moxie is not too bad either. So not too bad. Maybe like, it's just like the graphic one, the green one felt a little dry to me. Let's do a more deeper shade again. Let's do Industrial. This is like a deep eggplant. It's right here. Yeah, that one's like a little patchy. Look at that one. I don't know about the formula in this palette. I don't feel like the formula is the same as the C ones, like the MOSAIC ones. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm loving it. It will be interesting to try it out with a brush because it's going to be different than my fingers, and we'll see how it like blends out and stuff. So let's go ahead and go into the other palette. So the other palette here is one that I definitely would gravitate more to for this color scheme. It's more of like the colors I would use on a daily basis. So let's try these ones out. Rhythm looks really pretty. It looks like a really nice like camel brown. That one's not swatching too bad. That one's actually pretty good right there. So there's that one. Glitz, that one's pretty. Warring, a little patchy, but not too bad. Not too bad. Let's go to another one. Ooh, Glamour. Ooh, this one's like, ooh, that one's really pretty. Look at that one. That one swatched really nicely. I feel like this palette's swatching a little bit better than the other Glamour palette. Ooh, Bright Lights looks really pretty too. They've got some good shimmer shades in here that I like. Let's go to Abstract, which is something a little bit darker. This is Abstract. It's kind of like a reddish brown. Oh, that one's swatching pretty good. That one doesn't look as dry. So I feel like this palette is swatching a little bit better than that one, but it still doesn't feel as creamy as the MOSAIC palette feels. Like this palette reminds me more of like the Tartelette formula where it's very creamy and buttery. So I'm gonna be very interested to try these ones out on my eyes and create like different looks. Maybe we can do like one where we're creating 3 different eye looks in one palette. Maybe that might be a good video to test out, but let me know what you guys would think about that. So that is the last palette here. I'm sorry, I thought I got more, but honestly, I tried and a lot of the stuff wasn't even out yet, even though it said it was out at that store. So I tried, but I can order more. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any reviews that you want to see on any holiday sets, and then also if you want to see a Ulta edition of this, because again, a lot of sets are exclusive to Sephora, and then a lot of sets are exclusive to Ulta. So let me know in the comments down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything that I purchased is linked in the description box as well. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.